Hello, Oliver here from the company E-Trading Europe, and in this video I want to talk about what kind of packing method we apply for every single international shipments in our warehouse. So basically the first thing we apply is the edge protector. On the edge protector we cover the whole box or pallet with more layers of black film foil. Why is this important? Because it protects every single shipment from thefts, from rain and snow, for example. And as a last step, we apply the company logo tape. Why is this important to apply company logo tape on your shipments? For example, when your parcel gets lost and UPS asks from us how your parcel look like, and you just say that, oh, we had a parcel, a box in black color, then they will not find your box because they have 200,000 lost box in black color. And then you can say, oh, my parcel or box or pallet had a unique identification, which is the tape with my company logo, E-Trading Europe. Then they will find your parcel much easier. So that's why it is useful basically. And this is pretty much all how one parcel look like at E-Trading Europe. And as a last step, of course, we apply the packing list and the etiquette from UPS.